Hello, my name is Maria de Souza. I am a Feldenkrais and a yoga teacher. I focus my work on posture, not only because posture looks good and elegant on us, boosts our self-confidence, but also because good posture keeps pain away. Something that you might not realize is that most of these ailments and conditions we see people suffering with is a result of misalignments and imbalances that we all create in the body as we go about life. And that's when we start addressing these misalignments and imbalance that you will see a shift in your health, physically and mentally. And today I'm bringing something to you that creates those misalignments and imbalances in the body, and that is standing. So do you ever pay attention to the way you stand? The most common way of standing that I see is what I call the bus stop pose, which is this one when we drop onto one side of the pelvis, one side of the body. Doing this out of habit every single day, day in, day out, year after year, will misalign the pelvis. This will affect the alignment of the pelvis and will affect your neck as well. This is also creating wear and tear in the joints of the knee and the ankle. The joints of the knee and the ankle are working extra hard here to support all this weight. The knee is weary and tearing in the joint, so is the ankle. There's a lot of weight going onto this side, and the knee and the ankle are not in the right position to receive all this weight. So misalignments and wear and tear is being done on this side of the body. This will eventually bring discomfort and pain, and you may feel it in the pelvis, in the knee, in the ankle. You may feel it in the spine as well. So next time you stand, just notice how you do it and how should we do it correctly. So you have 2 feet, so stand grounded in both of your feet, like so. You keep your body safe. Also, I want you to realize that below your feet is earth, and earth is here to support you and to empower you. So notice the differences between being here, the difference inside here. Notice how does it feel when you're here comparing to when you are here. You should feel a inner power coming through you and lifting you up. So also you look better, you look good when you stand grounded in both of your feet as opposed to stand like so. Also you look taller when you are here than when you are here. So there's lots of reasons why we should stand grounded in both of our feet. So next time you stand, just practice standing grounded in both of your feet. You'll feel more uplifted and empowered, and you look good. And keep your body safe and keep yourself away from aches and pains. So thank you so very much for watching. If you like this video, if this was useful for you, give me the thumbs up and distribute it. Share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back with more videos. Bye bye now.